Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to run the WhatsApp on your laptop or computer. So first of all, you have to download it. So let's open the Chrome, search www.whatsapp.com. Click on the first site. Now click on download for Windows, then your download will start. So I have already downloaded here to save your time. Let's go to downloads, double click on the WhatsApp icon. So our setup is running here. So after this window appears, you have to open your WhatsApp in your mobile and scan it by using the WhatsApp web option. So I am doing this. Just scan it. So you see it's loading. So its installation is very easy. So guys, you can see our WhatsApp has successfully run on our laptop. You can chat as I am putting a message to show you example. So you see WhatsApp has installed successfully. So I hope you will like this video guys. Just press the bell icon and subscribe it.